My daily routine. Every morning, I wake up with a big yawn and stretch in my cozy bed. The sunlight peeks through the window and gently wakes me up. Then, I brush my teeth and wash my sleepy face with cool water. I feel fresh and ready to start the day. Next, I take a nice warm shower and wear clean, comfortable clothes. The smell of breakfast makes me smile as I go to the dining table. I eat a healthy breakfast with my family, sometimes toast, eggs, or fruit. We talk and laugh together before starting our day. After that, I put on my school uniform and get my bag ready. I walk to school with my parents or friends, enjoying the morning breeze. At school, I attend my classes and learn many new and exciting things. I read stories, solve math problems, and sometimes do fun science experiments. In the afternoon, I eat lunch at school and rest for a little while. Sometimes I chat with my friends or read a book during the break. In the evening, I go outside and play with my friends in the park or playground. We run, jump, and have lots of fun together. After playing, I come home, wash up, and watch my favorite cartoons or a fun TV show. Then, I sit at my desk and do my homework carefully, trying my best. At night, I eat a delicious dinner with my family. We talk about how our day went and share stories. After dinner, I sit with my grandparents. They tell me interesting tales, and we laugh together. Finally, I brush my teeth again and change into my pajamas. Then, I go to bed, close my eyes, and sleep peacefully, dreaming of a new day.